Some recipes call for small pieces of dates in them. It can be a bit of a challenge to get this sweet and sticky fruit chopped into desired sizes. What is a date? A date is a fruit that has a single seed covered by a thick fleshy fruit. It grows on a date palm which looks a lot like a coconut tree. Let us talk about how to chop dates using a food processor. Step 1. Remove the seeds. Dates possess a stone seed in it. They might not be an excellent addition to your recipe. The seed is hard and will not blend or chop evenly with the fleshy part of the date. It is, therefore, an important task to remove it. You can do this by slicing the dates and getting rid of the hard seeds. This will leave only the flesh that will be put in the food processor and chopped. 2. Add a drying agent. The dates are quite sticky, especially when you chop them in a food processor. You can choose to chop the dates alone and end up with a sticky lump. Or you can use a drying agent. It helps to keep the pieces of chopped dates from sticking together. When dates are processed and they begin to form lumps, some of the dates might not get chopped. It becomes more difficult for the blades of the food processor to touch all the dates you put into it. A drying agent you can use is oatmeal. This is because you can easily wash it off when the processing is complete. You can leave the oatmeal if it is a suitable part of the recipe. 3. Process the dates. Put the dates into the bowl of the food processor. Use the pulse button to get the dates to your desired size. It is best to check the dates often to make sure that the size of the date pieces is good enough. 4. Rinse the dates. Rinse off the oatmeal with water and separate your dates. If you didn't use a drying agent while chopping the dates, you can break up the sticky glob with your fingers. Did you try chopping dates with your food processor? Tell me how it turned out in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Turn the notification on, so you'll know once we post a new video. Do not forget to visit our site, www.zimfoodprocessors.com for more food processor content like this.